Hey guys, how you doing? I am not sponsored by this company at all, but I bought this a long time ago. That's why it's probably not the greatest looking in the world, but this stuff cleans up different metals. And I got some copper coins here that took a good tarnish when the rain and sun hit it. So I'm just going to show you how good this stuff is. I'm going to dip this in a little bit. You don't really need that much. I got quite a bit on there, but just going to use it in the same spot. Watch this. Just clean this coin right up. The guy that sold this to me, he retired, but it's out of Germany. Probably still could get it. There's that. I mean, it cleaned up quite a bit. Now I got this side here. Alright. Look at that. Pretty quick and easy. I had quite a few of them that have done that from the weather. So, got another one here. Oh. Probably dip that one in there. Well, the coins are falling off my lap. That need to be done. We got quite a few of them though, but I was just grabbing the worst case scenario ones. I'm sure there's other products out there that do this as well. But I sell these at my shows I go to. This is the first time I've used this stuff on here. But I've had it for other stuff. You can use it for your rims or whatever. Take rust right off. Yeah, the guy shined up pretty good. There you go. Just like that. But I got quite a few more of them too, so probably just better to dip it in. Hey, look at that. It just shined up real quick. Pressing down pretty hard on this thing. Cave lion from the Ice Age. Do the backside. Doesn't need much on the backside, if anything at all. All better. All new. Weather can't destroy us.